Ever wondered how to use a dive compass? You're not alone. A dive compass, a crucial tool for any scuba diver, can sometimes be a mystery to even the most seasoned underwater explorers. But fear not. Today, we unravel the secrets of this underwater navigation tool. First, let's understand what a dive compass is. It's a specially designed compass that works underwater. Unlike a regular compass, a dive compass is sealed and filled with a liquid, usually oil or alcohol, to prevent water from getting inside and affecting its functionality. Now onto the real question. How does one use a dive compass? The process may seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple when broken down into steps. Step 1. Orient yourself. Hold the compass level in front of you. The needle should be pointing towards magnetic north. This is your reference point. Step 2. Determine your heading. This is the direction you wish to travel in. Rotate the bezel so that the lubber line, that's the direction of travel line on your compass, aligns with the needle. Step 3. Follow your heading. Keep the compass level and make sure the needle stays aligned with the lubber line as you swim. This ensures you're heading in the right direction. Step 4. Record your heading. It's crucial to remember or write down your heading when you reach your destination. This is especially important if you need to return to your starting point. Step 5. Return to your starting point. To do this, rotate your body, not the compass, until the needle is 180 degrees from your recorded heading. Then follow your new heading back. It's important to note that practice makes perfect when using a dive compass. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. In summary, to use a dive compass, you need to orient yourself with magnetic north, determine and follow your heading, record your heading upon reaching your destination, and use this information to return to your starting point. Remember, a dive compass is your friend underwater. It guides you when visibility is low and landmarks are scarce. So the next time you find yourself gearing up for a dive, don't forget to pack your underwater guide, your dive compass. It's not only a tool, but also a scuba diver's silent companion, leading the way through the mysteries of the deep. And with these steps in mind, you'll navigate the underwater world like a pro. Remember, the ocean waits for no one. So gear up, dive in, and let the adventure begin.